Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Excuse me, bum?
Bob.
Mate, you're right.
You okay?
What? I'm just catching a ride.
No,
Can
that's
somebody do
fine. I did. No, you're fine.
Oh, alright, we just thought
We
you were
just
fucking
want-
dead over here.
Yeah, we thought you died.
it? Dad? Why you calling me a bum then?
Well, I call
Well,
everybody a bum that
she's
looked
a
like they
fucking
landed.
dickhead. Don't worry about her.
Yeah, hey, do you have a
All
place
right,
you want to
then.
go?
Oh, nope, wrong person. Sorry.
You're on the ground right now for me.
And me
you
too.
just
On the ground.
yeah, you're just laying on the ground
Try,
like contorted.
A, try jumping, or secondary, try Z. If not, try raising your hand.
There we go. So she's a dickhead, so I can take $3 off of her?
Oh, I think the fucking $3 bandit. Yeah, she is a fucking dickhead though.
All right, then she is $3 lighter.
Yeah, fuck
I
you,
can
Ling
just
Ling.
give you $3.
Why am I in the corner?
I didn't want to fall
Madam,
out.
You're still on the ground.
And I shall make my exit.